Okay, then shall we continue, sir? Okay, so yeah, I hope it is visible clearly. Yes, okay. So, our dear students, good evening to all of you, and welcome to Wings of Aero. As we know, yesterday briefly I have discussed about this commercial plane. Okay, and I am calling this class as class one because if possible, we'll complete all the components. Okay, if not possible, then tomorrow we'll continue rest of the components, and after that we'll go for assembly. Okay, yeah. So we know we have our major components of this aircraft: fuselage, main wing, horizontal stabilizer, this one, and vertical stabilizer, and this is our engine component. As I told, we have all the dimensions. Okay, and this clear dimensions is mentioned here. Okay, overall span of our wing, where exactly it is located, and what is the distance between the tip of the wing to the main engine. Okay, and what is the overall fuselage length. So we will use all these concepts and geometrical dimensions, and we'll complete our first component, that is fuselage. Then we'll go for rest other components. Okay, that is wing. After wing, we will go for horizontal stabilizer, vertical stabilizer, and engine component. At the end, we'll call all the component in our open VSP and we'll do assembly. Okay. At the end, assembly of your model, it will be like this. Okay. Yeah. So, along with me, all of you, please open your open VSP software. Yes. Go to File, select New, go to Geometrical Browser, select Fuselage and add. As I told, that will be going step to stepwise. Okay, that is first one is our fuselage. So we'll design first component or first major part of our this aircraft, that is fuselage. Okay, so as I told, the overall length of our fuselage, sorry, yeah, from this point to this point. Okay, overall length is already mentioned here, 124.75 feet. Okay, that is what it is shown here. .75 feet. So go to OpenVSP software, go to design and give overall length. Okay. As I told just now, the overall length is 124.75 feet. Enter. Yes. So overall length is given. Now, yes, the shape is like this, right? Okay, that is what it is shown here. This is our top view, and this one is our front view. So overall length we have given 124.75. Yes, to achieve this kind of shape, okay, that is what it is shown here. We have top view and front view. So which means we have to take number of cross sections. One, sorry, yeah, just 1 minute. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, totally 6 number of cross sections we have to take. Each and every cross section, it is located at a distance of 3.5, like that. Also, okay, before giving the data, let's go to cross section and let's check default how much number of cross sections we have. We have totally 4 number of cross sections. So totally we have 4 number of cross sections. So between 1 and 2, or between 2 or 3, or between 3 and 4, you can insert extra 2 more cross section anywhere. Or else by using 5 number of cross sections or 4 number of cross sections also, you can achieve this kind of shape, no problem. But you should know, okay, yeah, that 4 number of cross sections is enough or not. If it is not enough, then of course you have to add extra number of cross sections. If the 4 cross section is enough to achieve that particular shape, then no need to add extra cross section. It's all depend upon you, how much agile you are with this software. Okay, yeah. So I feel that we have to add 2 more cross sections because the shape is like this. No? Okay. So we insert one cross section here and one more cross section. So totally we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 number of cross sections. Okay. So I will use top view. We'll keep this model ISO view, left ISO, and go to window, use 4 window, so that it will be easy to complete your model. Okay, yes. Okay, we'll take 2 window, 2 vertical window. Okay, yes. Here we have top view, and here we have ISO view. Now we will come to first cross section. Zeroth cross section, of course, we have to maintain pointer type of cross section. Okay. First cross section, it is located at a distance of 3.9856 feet away. Okay. This first cross section, it is located at a distance of 3.9856 feet away. So we'll come to first cross section. Currently the cross section, what we have, the first cross section, it is located somewhere here. So we have to move that one. Okay. And we have to place that cross section from this nose point at a distance of 3.9856 feet. 3.9856 feet. Okay. Enter. Done. So after this, next cross section, second cross section, it is located at a distance of 29.33 feet. Now we'll jump to second cross section. Okay. So here we have our second cross section. We'll move this one. Okay. It is here. So instead of keeping this cross section here, what we have to do, we have to move forward and we have to place this cross section in such a way that distance from this point to the cross section where you locate, that is should be 29.33 feet. Okay. So just type 29.33 feet away. Enter. Yes. Now after this, we'll jump to third cross section. This third cross section, now currently it is somewhere here. Okay. Okay, it is here now. So of course we have to move that cross section. One is done, two is done. This is our third cross section. It is okay. So we have to place the third cross section at a distance of 80.095 feet away from this point. 80.095. Or else you can round up to 80 feet. Okay, yes. Done. Now after this, we'll jump to fourth cross section. Fourth cross section, it is located at a distance of 91.189 feet away. Now currently the fourth cross section, it is here. Okay, so we have to move this cross section and we have to place in such a manner that the distance from this point to the fourth cross section where you're locating, that should be 91.189. Okay, 91.189. So just we'll type that value, 91.189 feet. Enter. Done. Now after this, okay, we'll jump to fifth cross section. Yes. So here we have our fifth cross section. We have to place our fifth cross section at a distance of 123.50 to 50 feet away from this nose point. Okay. So we'll round up to 123.52. 123.52. Enter. Okay, yes. And at the end, of course, the sixth cross section overall length. Okay, automatically it will take that overall length 124.75, because here we have given overall length in design parameter. No? In this design tab, we have that parameter, length parameter. We have mentioned overall length 124.75. So of course, at the end, the last point or the last cross section, the type of cross section, we have to maintain point at top of cross section, and from nose to the last cross section, the length should be 124.75, and that shows that is the overall length of our fuselage. It is 124.75 feet. Okay, yeah. So we have located our each and every cross section, that is 6 number of cross section, according to the dimension. Okay, what we have here. So we have placed our each and every cross section. After that, what we have to do? We have to check the views. So let me select one window. Okay. So here we have top view, and we have our front view. Okay. See the length of our fuselage we have given, but each and every cross section, what we have, that is first one, second one, third one, all these cross sections, what we have. Okay, the type of section default we have ellipse type of cross section, and for each and every cross section, height and width it is same. So we have to change this height and width and the type of cross section. Okay, and after that we have to show this kind of shape. Okay, I mean like we have to come to each and every cross section. Okay, so zeroth cross section, no need to do anything. Now we will jump to first cross section. So the type of cross section, it is a ellipse type of cross section. Okay, and here height, just go with 6.5 feet, and width 5.5 feet. Okay, so first cross section parameter I already given. Okay, first cross section, the type of cross section, you have to choose ellipse type of cross section. Height of that type of cross section, it is 6.5 feet, and width is 5.5 feet. Now next jump to second cross section. Here also you have to maintain same ellipse type of cross section. Okay, and height of the second cross section. Let me, yeah, okay. Yes. So height of the second cross section is 13 feet, and width is 12.33 feet. Okay, done. Now after this, jump to third cross section. So third cross section, type of cross section, let it be ellipse type of cross section. Height, you have to maintain same 13 feet, and width 12.33 feet. Why sir, why you are maintaining same? Why? Because here we have used our previous cross section. Okay, first and two, just to get this shape. Now we are in the third and second cross section, so that's why to achieve this kind of shape, I'm like this. Okay, so of course we have to maintain same cross section type, and the parameter, that is height and width, also we have to maintain same. Then only you will get equal cross sections. Okay, yeah. So third cross section and second cross section, this one. Okay, second and third. This one is your first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth last. This one is our starting point 0. Okay, yeah. So we have done with our third cross section. Now we will jump to fourth cross section. So fourth cross section, the type of cross section, just select ellipse type of cross section, no problem. And height of this fourth cross section, just maintain 12 feet, and width 12.33 feet. Okay. Why have reduced height? Because here you can observe clearly fourth cross section. Okay, so of course it has to incline like this. Okay, so that's why a little bit I have reduced. That's it. You can observe size it is decreasing. Okay, so yeah, now we have to jump to next cross section, fifth cross section. Okay, so drastically now size will decrease because here of course we have to show like this, right? Our geometry should be like this. So after fourth cross section, drastically you have to reduce your height and width of your fifth cross section. Then only you will get this kind of shape. Fourth and fifth it will join automatically in open VSP. Okay, just you have to change the parameter. That's it. Okay, so now fifth cross section, the type of cross section, just select ellipse type of cross section, and height of this fifth cross section 4.5 feet. Ellipse height is 4.5 feet and width is 1.5 feet. Okay, done. Now after this, of course, we have to close our geometry, so that's why we have to maintain pointed type of cross section. So this is done. Okay, so let me change this window. Okay, yes, here we have top view. Okay, and front view and left view. Okay, so what we have to do now, geometry is not that much smooth, and shape also. So that's why what we have to do, you have to come to skinning. Okay, here let me select two vertical windows. Okay, as I told, skinning option, by using skinning option we can smooth the curvatures or streamlines, okay, or these profiles of our geometry. Okay, physical geometry profiles we can smooth and we can achieve this kind of smooth geometry. Okay, so that's why now we have to play with skinning option. Okay, this is our zeroth cross section. Just observe. Okay, yes. You have to show like this. Okay. So we'll go with 90 degree. Okay. Now no need to do any changes. This one also will maintain 90 degree. Okay. So jump to first cross section. I'm just modifying, that's it. Okay. Just to get a good profile. So first cross section. Here also we'll just change the top side angle. Here we have our first cross section. Okay. So we'll maintain 30 degree. We'll go with the right by left. Okay. Right side and left side. Okay. Mm, so we'll keep 20 plus. You can type 20 degree or 22. We'll go with 20, 22. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Mm, okay. So now we will jump to this side. Okay. Top side. Just I am adjusting profile correctly to get a proper shape. Okay. So we'll go with the okay. We'll go with the 45 degree. Okay. Okay. We'll just go with 45 degree. Okay. If you go above 45, what will happen? Just see, geometry will get disturbed. Okay. So just a little bit common sense you use. That's it. So round off to 45. Then okay. So next, yeah. So we'll jump to second cross section. Here we have our second cross section. Okay. So for this also, what we'll do, we'll use right side and left side option. Okay. So I'll just on this checkbox. We'll go with the okay. We'll just use this thing. Just little bit will increase the strength here. Okay, let it be. Similarly, we'll do for bottom side. Okay, top side is done. Top side is done. Okay, similarly, we'll do the bottom side like this. Okay, so we'll round off to 2. Okay, fine. Here also you can round off to 2, no problem. Okay, yes. So what I've done, top side and bottom side, I've just done little modification for that second cross section. Okay, by using skinning option. Okay, yes. So now what we'll do, we'll just jump to next cross section. That is third cross section. Here also we'll do the same thing. We have our third cross section. Here also we'll do same thing. Also you can increase the number of tessellations here. Okay, like number of views like this. Just to smooth the geometry, that's it. Okay, so you can increase number of tessellations, and again you can come to skinning, and you can modify your top side, right side, bottom side, left side. Okay, here we have, this is our complete view, no? Okay, see, I will use the front option, front view option. This is our top side, bottom side, okay, left side and right side. So each and every side you can modify by using skinning option. Okay, so here we'll just let me zoom this. Okay, yeah, so we'll just maintain same strength, that is 2 over top side and right side. Okay, we'll jump to next cross section, fourth cross section. Here we have our fourth cross section. Here what we'll do, we will use right side and bottom side option. Okay, so we'll use this one. We'll round off to 1. We'll go with -5. Okay, 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 let it be. No need to do any changes. Now we will jump to fifth cross section. Here what we'll do, we'll just use bottom side option. Okay, Just change the angle. We'll go with minus. Okay. Okay, I'll go with minus 20. Done. Okay. And we'll increase strength also. Similarly, right side. Okay. Okay. So last sixth cross section. Okay. So let me change the view. Yes. So here what we need to do. We'll change the angle. Maintain a 90 degree. Minus 90. Okay. And strength also will just increase. Let it be 2. Okay. Similarly, right side. So maintain same 90 degree. Go with 0.23. Okay. So yeah, we have done with this. Let me change the window and we will shift the views. Here we have top view, front view, and left view. Okay. So sixth cross section, what we have here, it's pointed type of cross section. No. Okay. Okay. Yeah. No problem. When you can use a circle like this. Okay. But as I told, of course, you have to close the geometry. Okay. See, it's open now. So that's why better you select a pointed type. So we have done with the fuselage. Okay. You can come to each and every cross section like this. You can increase the number of test sessions just to smooth your geometry. I will share this one. Okay. Here we have our all the views: top view, front view, and all 4 views. If you feel your geometry is not that much smooth, then no need to worry. You can come to each and every cross section. You can increase number of tessellations. That is what I will do now. Okay. See, here we have gaps now here. Just to reduce these gaps, what we have to do? Just we have to increase number of test sessions. That's it. Okay, let me change this into wireframe mode. Okay, so here we have first cross section. You can observe. So what I've done, I have just increased the number of tessellations. Okay. First cross section is done. Okay. And this is our second cross section. Here also, I'll just increase number of views. Okay, and like wireframes. And next, and this is our third cross section. Okay. Here also we'll just increase. Next we'll jump to, okay, let it be 25. Okay, yeah. So next is our fourth cross section. Okay, let it be 10, 10, 15. Okay. Next is our fifth cross section. See, now number of wireframes it's less, so you can increase like this. Oh, sorry, this is our fourth, no? We'll jump to fifth one. Okay, see here, it's just six number of cross sections we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 1. Okay, so you can increase number of cross sections like this, just to smooth your geometry. Or else even you can type 35 or 34 or 36. I'll just type 30. Okay. And next, sixth cross section done. Okay. Now you can observe your geometry. You can just shade this one. You can come to each and every cross section. Still, if you want to increase your number of views, you can increase like this. Okay, this one. So now geometry is very smooth. Here we have a top view, front view, and left view. Okay. So we'll just go to file and save this. So let me copy the file. Okay. So we'll save here itself. Let it be. I'm just saving in this downloads. Okay. I'll call this one as model 2. Yesterday we have completed our model 1. This is our model 2. In this, I will call Part 1. Or else directly you can copy in this folder itself. Okay. First copy the directory and go to file, use save as option and paste here. Control V, enter. Okay. And give your file name. Part 1 fuselage and accept. Okay, so you can ensure once again file has been saved or not, like this. Okay, I'll just delete this one. So model 2, so part 1 fuselage. Okay, 651. So we have done with our major component of this aircraft, that is fuselage. So before I go to next component, the wing, still we have time, no problem, we can do. Okay, if you have any queries, any doubt, you can unmute or you can use chat window. No, right? Okay, so quickly we'll complete wing also. Okay, so go to file, go to new option. Okay, go to geometrical browser, select wing and add. Here we have all the geometrical parameters. As I told during our theory session that to design a wing, during the wing design, okay, during that process you must know the wing parameters. Okay, or before designing any wing, you must know your wing parameters, that is the aspect ratio, tip chord, root chord. Okay, which kind of wing you want to design, tapered wing or swept wing, okay, or delta wing. Okay, so all these parameters you must know, whether you want to maintain dihedral angle, if you want to maintain sweep angle, then how much sweep angle you want to maintain. Okay, so here with respect to our second model, second part, main wing, here I have given all the parameters. Okay, span 56.3 feet, chord length 13.5 feet, area 658.48 feet. Sorry, that is feet square. Okay, section, you have to, of course you have to take 2 sections. So we'll complete that one also. Go to open VSP. Here, okay, we'll use all parameters. Overall span 56.3 feet. Okay, 56.3 feet. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll just off this symmetry. Okay, yeah, we'll come to plan. So overall wingspan is 56.3. So we'll just calculate this one, just 2 minutes. 56.3 into 2, 112.6. Okay, so 112.6, you can use your symmetry and you can give overall span. Okay, that is 112.5, sorry, 112.6, enter. 56.3, right? Okay. Okay, overall span is given. Now after that, chord length 13.5 feet. Chord length 13.5, enter. It's done. Okay, so whatever you get automatically your sorry, there is something problem here. Okay. So chord length 13.5, enter. Yeah, now it's correct. No need to worry about area, whatever you get, let it be. Okay. That is open VSP calculated area. Okay. Now what we'll do, we'll just come to section. Of course, we have to split our wing into two sections. Why two section? Because from here to here, first section, sweep angle is changed. Okay, there is change in sweep angle for this first section and for the second section. Okay, for this section, the sweep angle is less, whereas for this section, sweep angle is increased, right? So that's why it is important to split our complete wing, okay, into two sections, section 1 and section 2. Section 1 from here to here and from here to here, section 2. Okay, so we have to split our wing. So we'll come to section and we'll just split. As soon as we click on split, our wing, complete wing will get into split, and we have two wing sections. First wing section from root to tip, and second wing section. For second wing section, this will become root chord, and this will become tip chord. Whereas for first section, this will become root chord and this will become tip chord. Because the first section area is this much and second section area is this much. Overall wing, it is this one, the red color what we have. Okay. So if you want to do any changes complete for the overall wing, then you have to use this overall plan form tab. Here you have to increase your span. Suppose if you want to increase overall wingspan, then just you have to come to this tab. You have to increase overall wingspan. Okay. So now currently I don't want to do any changes because we have to go according to our overall span, that is 112.6, enter. Okay, yes. So here we have splitted our wing. So first section, span is 18 feet, root chord is 24.90 feet, tip chord is 12.3 feet, sweep angle is 35. So we have to use all these parameters for our first section. For first section in the sense for this section. Okay. So this section parameters, it is mentioned here, and this section parameters, it is mentioned here. So first section span is 18 feet. So here we are in the first section. First section span is 18 feet. Okay. So we have to use 18 feet and we have to enter. Okay. Yes. Root chord 24.90 feet. 24.90 feet. Enter. And tip chord 12.3 feet. 12.3. Enter. And sweep angle 35 degrees. Okay. 35 degree. So here we have sweep angle, it's 30 degree. We have to change this to 35 degree. Enter. Done. Okay. Yes. Yeah. So for section parameter, whatever we have used all the parameters. Okay. That is span, root chord, tip chord, sweep angle. Now next we have to jump to second cross section, and we have to give all these parameters. Okay. Span, root chord, tip chord, and sweep angle. So we'll jump to second wing section. Okay. Yeah. So how you will get to know you are in the first wing section or second wing section? This green box what we have, it ensures that you are in that particular cross section. Okay, that is particular wing section. If you jump to go to next section or the previous section, then you have to use this arrow marks what we have. Okay, back side and forward side. So now we have to do alterations for the second wing section. Okay, yes, so that's why we are in the second wing section. So how much we have? Oh, span 38.29 feet. Okay, 38.29 feet. 38.29. Enter. Okay, this is our span and root chord 12.3 feet. Root chord. Okay, automatically you'll get 12.3 because first section tip chord will become the second section's root chord. Okay, only we have to change the tip chord. So yes, tip chord is 4.5 feet. This one. So 4.5. Enter. Done. Now what we have to do? We have to give a sweep angle 27 degree. Okay. So we have done with the wing. If you want to add the aerofoil, you can add the aerofoil. You can come to each and every you can come to each and every root chord and tip chord. Okay. Okay. Of these sections, what we have. See here for our first wing section. This one will be our root chord and this one will be tip chord. Okay, for the second section, this one will be root chord and this one will be tip chord. For overall wing, okay, if we talk in terms of the complete wing, then this one will be root chord and this one will be tip chord. Okay, so here you can come to each and every cross sections what we have currently. Okay, of course, we have splitted our wing into two wing sections. So that's why we have 0, 1, and 2 aerofoil sections. You can maintain same aerofoil type of cross section, or else you can change any of this. Okay, or else you can use general fuselage type of not general fuselage. Sorry, here we have option. Just come to 0th cross section. Okay, so here go to type of cross section. Just use AF file. Okay, here we have AF file. Okay, read the file. So what you have to do, you have to go to downloads, where you have downloaded your VSP file. You have to open that file. Okay, and go to aerofoil. Here you have all the default Boeing 737 aerofoils. Okay, A, B, C indicates. Okay, root side, king side, and tip side. Root side, king side, tip side, in the sense you can place that aerofoil A here, B this side, and C this side, like this. Okay, root side, king side, and tip side, like this. Root side, king side, and tip side. That is what we will do. It will take just 1 minute. We'll complete that also. Okay, so here you have to copy this path. So how you'll get? No need to worry. Just go to downloads. Already you have downloaded that Open VSP 3.20 version file. Okay, after when you open that file, okay, you will get first option aerofoil. Open that also. Copy this path. Come to Open VSP. Okay, of course, root side you have to read that file. Okay, so you have to go to aerofoil type. You have to choose AF file. You have to read that file. As soon as you click on that, you will get one window, new window. So you have to paste that directory. Which directory? This directory. Okay, this one. You have to copy and you have to paste here. That's what I have done. And you have to select. You have to accept. So as soon as you select and accept, you can observe changes has been done. Boeing 737A. Similarly, you can jump to the king side. You can choose the aerofoil type, AF file. You can read the file and you can choose Boeing 737B accept. And similarly, you can jump to tip side. You can read the file. Sorry, AF file, read, and C accept. See, changes has been done. Boeing 737C. Yeah, this is our wing. What we are looking to design, and we have done with that. Okay. Suppose you want to show the winglets. So you can come to section once again. You can split the section. Okay, the third section. Okay, you can use this one and you can twist this to 90 degree. Just you can show, sorry. So we'll cut this one. Okay. Once again, I will insert. I'll jump to third. Roughly I'm showing. Okay. So here you can use this option. Okay, like this. This is your third wing section. You can come to second wing section. First wing section parameter is same as it is. Second wing section parameter has been changed here. So once again, we'll just give the parameter. That's it. Okay, we know overall span. Okay, 38. Root chord we know 12.3 and tip chord 4.5. Enter. Okay, yes. What we have done, only the thing is that we have just added one more wing section and we have given diagonal angle 90 degree just to show the winglets. Okay, I'm like this wing tip. Okay, this one. So we have done with this wing. We'll just save it file. You can reduce the span. When you can reduce the root chord and tip chord, you can modify like this. No need to worry. Okay, tip chord you can maintain small tip chord like this. Okay, done. So this is your top view, front view, and left view. So select all and shade. Okay, and go to file and save. So we have to copy this directory to paste. Okay, this is our part 2. So we'll stop here. Rest other parts will continue tomorrow. Okay, it's already time up. This is our main link. Accept. Okay, if you don't want winglets like this, then just come to that third cross section and just use cut option. That's it. Okay, and again you can save. It will get update. That's it. Okay, I'll stop this class here itself. If you have any questions or queries, you can unmute, you can ask, or use chat window. Students, any doubt from your side? I hope I'm audible. Okay. So, Bhunesh sir, I think there is no any doubt from student side. Let me check the chat window. No. Okay, they are typing no doubt. Okay, we'll stop then. Okay, thank you, Kritika, and thank you to all of you for joining. We'll continue our sessions tomorrow. Okay. Yes, thank you all of you. Okay, thank you, sir. Bhunesh sir. We'll continue tomorrow. Okay.